Yo, what's going on, YouTube family? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 different websites and applications that will literally pay you to listen to music. You guys, yes, you heard me correctly. You can get paid simply to listen to music. And everybody knows you're listening to probably 2 to 3 hours of music every single day. And that's probably on the low side. So why not get paid to do this? This works worldwide. They pay out in PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin, and they even do bank transfers, you guys, in United States dollars. This is so very simple. You're going to want to absorb all of this information so that you can maximize your results. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly what I'm doing to make a significant income online, you guys, where you can replace your 9-to-5, fire your boss, get a freedom type of lifestyle, get time back on your side so that you can do the things that are most important to you in life. And that is what this is all about, you guys. So make sure that you stick with me through this entire video. That is very, very important. So let's get straight into this. All right, you guys, I hope you are excited to start earning some money for simply listening to music. But first, it's very important that you drop me a comment, even if you just let me know where you are from, ask your questions, type free PayPal online, whatever you like, but drop me a comment. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Hit that bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I'm coming out with videos just like the one you're watching right now, teaching you the best money-making strategies every single week, you guys. And make sure that you crush that thumbs up. That is super important. That way we can get this material, this video out to as many people as possible and help put money in their pockets as well. And at the end of the day, that's what I care about the most, you guys. I really do care about giving you the best quality and giving you the best strategies to make money online. And that's why it's so important that you stick with me through the entire video so that you can maximize your results and so that you can also learn about what I'm doing online, you guys. I'm talking about a strategy that will absolutely change your life. As again, you guys, I've spent 15 years, trying to learn how to do all this stuff. All kinds of different crazy businesses, wasted so much time, you guys, and I'm going to share that with you and break it down and make it very, very simple at the end of this video. So let's get straight into this video, just as promised, and teach you how to make money simply for listening to music. All right, you guys, now let's get started making you some money. As you can see with this first website right here, you can earn alone simply listening to radio. It's very, very simple. Check out how this works, right? You can do this on your cell phone. You can do this on a web browser. So this works on all your devices. So you're going to create your free account. It's 100% free. You're going to sign in after you register with your account. You're going to start using the radio, and you're going to start earning, right? You're going to earn every payout. Every 15 minutes, you're going to get points that are converted into United States dollars. The United States dollar can be paid out via bank transfer that's wired, or it can be Amazon gift cards or Bitcoin. It's really that simple, you guys. And what's really cool too is you can get paid out in Bitcoin. If you don't know anything about earning Bitcoin, free Bitcoin, I have tons of videos about that on this channel as well. And it's a great time to invest in Bitcoin right now because of the current circumstances right now. It's a very safe investment in my opinion. You should check that out if you want to earn some free Bitcoin. This is another great way to do that. Now check this out down here. I want to point this out as well. Again, this can be paid out in PayPal and United States dollars and bank transfer. And this works worldwide, you guys. Look at this. You can use their service worldwide. We support every single country. Is the service free? It's 100% free. Check this out as well. I thought this was really neat. They even have live statistics right here on their website. So if you hover over the countries, you can actually see all these countries that are green right here. These are folks listening to music right now and earning money for simply listening to music. It's really that simple. Look, they have 94,555 members. There's currently 913 listeners right now, and they've paid out over $217,633 to their members simply for listening to music, you guys. Yes, it's really that simple. Now, moving on here, my friends, this next website right here is called Cash for Minutes. It's a unique service that allows you to earn cash with your monthly unused phone minutes simply by listening to internet radio broadcasts. So this one's not going to be music, but you can listen to radio broadcasts and get paid for your unused phone minutes. So if you are someone that never uses all of your phone minutes, this is a great way to earn some extra cash. And what's really cool about this is they have some really cool payment methods as well. They do bank transfer, they do PayPal, they do Bitcoin, and they also have Amazon vouchers, or you can even choose a charity and donate the money to a charity if you want to do that as well. So it's very, very simple. Simply going to come to this website, you're going to sign up using your own unique credentials, create your profile, add the numbers that you're going to be dialing from, And then you're going to access those numbers, make the phone calls, listen to the radio broadcast, use up those extra unused phone minutes. By the way, you don't actually have to sit there and listen to them, right? You can simply just put your phone down and let the stuff play, and you're going to be earning cash. Then you get paid in PayPal, you guys, Amazon, and Bitcoin. Very, very simple, easy method to make some extra money just using your unused minutes. Yo, check out this website right here called Hit Predictor. Now, I had never heard of this before until recently when I was doing all this research. And this is really, really cool, you guys. You can get signed up right here. And the way that this works is you're going to earn gift cards literally for just listening to well-known artists already, you guys. I'm talking about like Black Keys, Drake, Post Malone, Jonas Brothers, Keith Urban, Ed Sheeran, Travis Scott, Skillet. So a wide variety of very popular artists. And what happens on this website is this is brand new music that has not been released to the public yet. And you get to help influence what's going to be the next big hit by giving your opinion and saying whether you like it or not, and then earning free gift cards. Now, of course, you guys already know I always save the best for last, you guys. And this is because these guys are paying literally up to $600 a year. Yes, some folks are earning $600 a year simply for listening to music. Now, what's really cool about this is if you think about this for just a moment here, think about all the music you're listening to, right? You're listening to music probably in the morning when you're getting ready. You listen to it in the car. Some folks are listening to music at work. Why not start to get paid for it? Now, a lot of people too are paying for subscription services such as like Spotify, Apple Music, whatever service you're paying for. This is a great way to flip the script on these guys and start getting paid simply for listening to music. Now, if you're worried about if the genre that you like to listen to and the songs that you like to listen to are going to be on this platform, by the way, this is called Current, and this is available in the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store. And if we check this out over in the Google Play Store, I want to show you this. This has been rated by 117,919 people, 4-star rating. So people absolutely love this. This is a great way to start earning money and gift cards and getting paid in PayPal up to $600 a year, literally for just listening to music. So come check this out, you guys. 100,000 plus radio stations. They have something for everybody. That's a lot of radio stations. I've been using this. I absolutely love it. So just a quick review here. The first website that we discussed was called RadioEarn.com, you guys, and this is where you can get paid simply for just listening to the radio. The next one was called Cash4Minutes.com, and this one is the one that allows you to earn extra cash simply by using your unused phone minutes and listening to internet radio broadcasts. And then we have Hit Predictor, and this is the one where you can actually listen to music that has not been released yet and provide your input whether you like it or not, and help influence what's going to be released to the public and earn gift cards that way. And then last but not least, you guys, of course, we have Current.us. That's how you get to this one. It's also available in the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store. And these guys are paying out up to $600 a year. So come check out every single one of these. And as promised, you guys, I promised you that I was going to talk about what I'm doing to make money online. And when I say this, I mean this. I really, really mean this, you guys. I've spent so very long, literally, trying to earn money online, trying different MLM products, trying to, do real estate, all kinds of different businesses since I was 15 years old. And I've wasted so much time, I've wasted so much money, and I've failed so many times. And what happened is this last year, I just had some things change in my life. And I got really serious about finding a way to make money online because I knew that it was possible. I was seeing people make money online, and I wanted to know how I could do that. And I knew what I needed was I needed an expert. I needed a blueprint. I needed to know what to do step by step. Someone to tell me and take me by the hand and just tell me what to do, right? Because if you don't know exactly what to do, you fumble around online and you get upset because you're not making any money and you feel like you're just wasting your time. If you want to make a lot of money and you want to make it fast, you want to get involved with people that know exactly what they're doing and can tell you how to implement a strategy and tell you step by step what to do. And that's what I was doing. I was simply just searching make money online, and I stumbled across a course, a blueprint, if you will, that will teach you exactly what you need to do to establish a business online that will create passive income, that will help you get time back on your side, that can be a full-time career where you're literally getting freedom back so that you can do the things that are most important to you and create a passive income lifestyle. Now, if that sounds appealing to you, where you can hang out with your friends, your family, go fishing, whatever it is that's your hobby every single day and earn a significant income. And when I say significant, you guys, I'm talking about hundreds, even thousands of dollars a day thousands a week. Some people are even making millions a year doing this, and they'll teach you exactly what they're doing, their strategies of how you can implement that and do the exact same thing online. If any of that interests you, make sure that you check out my #1 link directly in the top of the description. It's super important, you guys. I really want to save you time, money, effort, and just help you, make the most money possible online. It means a lot to me. It was only a year ago today, literally, that I was in the exact same position that you are right now, making a decision. And I made a decision that I was going to change my life, and it's absolutely happening. So check that out, you guys. Also, if you found any valuable content in this video, it's super important that you crush that thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, of course. Hit that bell notification, because I come out with videos just like this one every single week. Drop me a comment. Let me know that you were here. I always appreciate the comments, you guys. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Peace.